So yeah, welcome back, guys. Amazing match. Delhi Capitals obviously dominating the Chennai Super Kings, and amazing victory here again for Delhi, continuing their streak against the Chennai Super Kings. Let me Ronak and Parth. Yes. I'm waiting for Parth to even Ronak here. So
Is he
what?
coming or not?
I think Ronak has internet glitches again, but I'll start with you, Parth. Happy day in the office for you, and how 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 happy are you with the performance?
Definitely very happy. Inshallah, the boys played pretty well. I'm happy. I'm happy to see Prithvi Shaw coming back into form, and that's what we need from a opening stand. I mean, the first job of the openers is to create a platform for the middle orders, uh, so that they can play freely. I think they did pretty well. I mean, they did much more than that.
Yeah, the difference between the two teams was the power play. Delhi capitalized on the power play.
Yes, yes, sure.
We talked about the danger that Prithvi Shaw and Shikhar Dhawan can bring to against any opposition. 85 runs scored, 65 scored in the first 6 overs, whereas Chennai could only manage 32 runs. So, Ronak, was that the difference? Ronak, can you hear me?
Yes, Sanchit, I expected a 10-wicket victory.
Parth, you can take over the question. Power play was the difference, right?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, like I said, the power play gives you an opportunity to score big, and the more you score in power play, the more chances are to score big runs. I mean, that's why I think CSK lacked at this point. Rona, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, guys. Hi, guys.
Yeah,
Rona
tough,
Am I audible?
speechless, right?
tough day in,
Sanchit,
yeah. Tough
Sanchit,
day.
Sanchit doing the batter. Yeah, Rona, go on.
I think he's not able to hear us. Yeah, but one of the key parts of the partnership between Shaw and Dhawan was that they were not swinging at every delivery. I mean, there were proper cricket shots being played. So, do you think that in the long run, if these two have to continue to, get 100 plus or 50 plus partnerships, that is the key?
I think the major reason why they played their shots was, as everyone knows, that Wankhede is a batting track, and you get full support for your runs. I mean, if you play a good shot, you'll definitely get a boundary or so. So I think this strategy won't work out everywhere, but on Wankhede, yes. And we have next two matches at Wankhede, I think.
Well, yes, you certainly do have your next matches at Wankhede, and Wankhede is proving out to be a lucky ground for you. 3-3 against the Chennai Super Kings. Parth, you'll be pretty happy with your team's performance. But tell me about what you felt during the midway part. 189, not an easy target to chase. Did you have confidence that your team might chase it?
Definitely, as I spoke in the pre-match, I mean, we have Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw running in form, and we also had our captain Rishabh Pant who opened his account with a win, and that's a good sign for our team. And we also had great finishers like Stoinis. I mean, he did not get an opportunity, but I think he would have scored big if he got an opportunity.
Well, certainly, yes. One slight worry that you might probably have was the form of Ashwin and Amit Mishra. The spinners didn't quite go well according to your expectations. And I think the black in your bowling attack today was the spinners.
Is it for me or Ronak?
Yeah, for you, Parth.
Yeah, I think from the beginning, Suresh Raina and Moeen Ali started hitting Ashwin from ball one and started creating pressure on him. But on the other hand, Amit Mishra did a great job. I mean, he kept bowling googlies to Moeen Ali, and that's what got him confusing, and they were not able to hit Amit Mishra as much they did to R. Ashwin.
Ronak, can you hear us now? I mean, I think Ronak is facing internet issues, but Omkar in the comment section mentioned
Yes, yes,
I
definitely he will bounce back.
will bounce back with the quality and experience that he has. We surely do hope so. Chris
Ronak,
Woakes'
can you hear
performance,
us?
I think he's having glitches.
Hello,
Yeah,
Ronak?
I think he's having glitches.
Disconnected again. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so talking about Chris Woakes' performance today, quite pleasing performance there. And do you think he should have been given his 4 overs quota instead of giving an extra over to either Stoinis or the either of the spinners? Do you think Woakes should have completed the quota?
I think Chris Fox is best at bowling in power plays, and he did really well. I mean, he took the opening wickets. Of two of them, there was one of Vokes, and I think the major reason would be, as as I think, Rishabh Pant played very smart. I mean, he knew that R. Ashwin is getting smacked all around the park at every over, so he thought he might finish R. Ashwin's over in the first 10 overs, and I think that might be the case that Chris Fox did not get much chances to bowl in the first 10 overs.
Well, yes, but a few positives for the Chennai Super Kings as well. Not with the ball, but with the bat. Suresh Raina coming in, showing how capable he is at the top of the order. 2 early wickets lost, but then Raina and Moeen Ali steadied the ship.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, DC got a great start by picking the two wickets in the first 2 overs. So Suresh Raina and Moeen Ali would be definitely having a pressure on their mind, but they fought through it, and they stabilized the innings and came out with a bang. I mean, Suresh Raina's comeback was amazing to see. I mean, coming after playing IPL after a year missed out last season, I mean, he did a pretty well job.
Yes, and some of the shots that he hit were quite clean against Ashwin and Mishra. But there was one more highlight, which Omkar has rightly pointed out the battle between the two brothers, Tom Curran and Sam Curran. Initially, it was looking like Tom Curran might get better of him, but then it was the younger brother who had the last laugh, scoring 23 runs off 7 balls, and not a happy day for Tom Curran.
Like as I said in the pre-show, I mean, I was not confident. I mean, I was shocked why Tom Curran is playing, as I said to you. So because I knew that he was being very expensive in his recent games, so I thought that I mean the idea of Tom Curran to be playing 11 would is a bad idea, and I think it proved me right. I mean, he kept
Yeah.
on bowling to Sam Curran down the leg side or maybe full tosses, and that's where he got costly.
Yeah, we'll take a couple more questions. One of them in the comment section highlights how important it is for Deepak Chahar to pick wickets in the top 6 overs because it doesn't seem like Chennai have bowlers to pick wickets in the middle overs nor at the death overs except Bravo.
Yes, definitely. I mean, Chahar is a key bowler, and he can swing the ball both ways, in swing and out swing. And so the contribution of Chahar becomes very essential during the power plays, because as the ball gets old, the swing vanishes. I mean, there was also not much swing in today's wicket as well. So I think he plays a very crucial factor while bowling in the power plays.
Well, certainly Deepak Chahar is an important part of the Chennai Super Kings team. Talking about Shardul Thakur a bit now, Shardul Thakur went at an economy of 14 runs per over. Is that a sign of concern for the Chennai Super Kings considering how good he was in the recently concluded India-England series.
No, I don't think so. I mean, I have to back him here because he has shown great strength from Australia. I mean, he's been in great form. His slow runs are superb. I mean, but you have to consider that the wicket of Wankhede is a batting track, and anyone can get smacked on such kind of track. So I would give him another chance.
Well, one final question coming up. Do you think Rishabh Pant remaining not out today and finishing the game, creeps in a bit of signs of his successor, MS Dhoni? Do you think this is a sign that Rishabh Pant might be the one to take the baton, to carry the baton now?
No, we have to see a few matches more. We cannot make statements based on the first match. I mean,
Yeah.
he's just new to the captaincy thing. I mean, he needs to grow more, and as much as he can. He needs to take experience from Steve Smith, Ajinkya Rahane, and head coach Ricky Ponting. And this is very early to give a statement regarding, I mean, how good a captain will he be.
Well, certainly a happy night for you, Parth. And the way Delhi dominated the game was absolutely tremendous. Uh, Chennai might have a few worries now going on into the next match, but Delhi certainly seemed to be cruising. Early predictions, Delhi finishing in the top two. What do you think?
Definitely, like we talked in the pre-show, आप chronology समझिए. We finished at third spot in 2019. Then in 2020 we finished at second, and definitely we are going to win the title in 2021.
Passionate Delhi fan out there. Amazing talking to you, Parth, and good talking to Ronak, although he was out due to connectivity issues. Kostu played an important part as well, talking for the CSK. But yeah, an
Definitely.
amazing. And tomorrow, please do join us for an important match again. Kolkata Knight Riders playing against the Sunrisers Hyderabad in Chennai tomorrow. So that is going to be another good contest that's coming up tomorrow. So yeah, amazing guys. Thank you for your support, and thank you to all the fans for joining in as well.
Just keep supporting and keep looking for our new videos. Thank you.
Thanks, man. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye.